901, and the San Francisco Zuckerberg Hospital is going to have a monkeypox vaccine clinic. The problem is there aren't enough vaccines, so the people are limited that they can accept. Right now, let's go Crown 4's Sara Stinson has been following this. And Sara, I know a lot of people were excited to be able to get the shot, and now they're not going to be able to, even though this vaccine is open.
Well, the clinic opened right at 8, and hundreds of people waited in line for hours to get this vaccine in hopes that they could get a drop-in spot. But when they opened the clinic, they told everyone in line they only have 300 doses. So you're talking about hundreds of people, hard to tell exactly, but 500, I would say, plus people waiting in line. And then the line got shortened very quick. People left when they found out they're only giving out 300 shots a day. And to get more specific, this is really crucial information. 90 shots for people with appointments and 210 shots for people waiting in line. If someone is a no-show for their appointment, then a person in line will get that dose. I just confirmed that with Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital. Some people say they were told to get here earlier than 6 tomorrow morning for better chances to get that vaccine for monkeypox. San Francisco only got a shipment of 4,000 doses. Of that, Zuckerberg San Francisco General got 2,000 doses. The Department of Public Health says people who are eligible for the vaccine are those who identify as LGBTQ, who have had multiple partners in the last 14 days, as well as sex workers, people who have been in close contact with anyone who has monkeypox, or someone who has received a notification from a venue or event of a potential exposure of monkeypox. As supplies continue to be limited, cases continue to rise. There are 356 monkeypox cases in this state. Take a look at your screen, 176 of them in the Bay Area, making up 49% of the state's cases. And on your screen, you can see the totals in each county. San Francisco, the home of the biggest outbreak in California with 141 cases. Solano County is waiting on confirmation for its first 2 probable cases. The clinic here at Zuckerberg only has a small window of which people can be in line and get an opportunity for that drop-in spot. It's from Monday through Friday, 8 in the morning until noon. And as I said, they were told to get here very early. I heard from someone earlier who waited, a couple hours, and he was one of the first in line. And then I heard from another person who said when the clinic was open last, they waited 11 hours and did not get a dose. At least now we were able to give you some information, which how many doses are available per day and when you should get here. Daria, a very frustrating situation for people in San Francisco, many of them saying they're just trying to help themselves and their health and help others as this outbreak gets worse and worse.
Absolutely. All right, thanks for all that info and the update, Sara. And as monkeypox cases rise, Santa